Apart from the Treasury single account policy that has become very popular with the present administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, one other policy that has become a matter of interest in the financial sector since the year 2016 is the introduction of the bank verification number. However, the federal government has moved from asking all bank customers to get BVNs but has decided to seek cash forfeiture of unregistered accounts. A legal practitioner and financial experts say this new government policy will be of immense benefit to the country.
Some people think BVN is going to expose them to people knowing how much they have in their account and wherever their source of income is coming from. But I believe that these are security measures. In America, it's there. It's everywhere. So when they lose such money, it means that they were not genuine with their funds. Their funds were gotten from questionable sources.
The bank verification number is a project or an initiative in the right direction because essentially it provides an avenue for the banks to do a biometric capture of banking transactions of bank customers and banking transactions in Nigeria, and that's to a large extent will help to reduce the incidence of fraud.
From time to time, the federal government, through certain specialized agencies like the Central Bank of Nigeria, would issue directives and regulation aimed at protecting interests of the customers, the public, and of course, the government.
On whether or not the new development will be free from litigations, the respondents were quick to say that the federal government over the years has enforced similar policies through the Apex Bank in the country.
The federal government do indeed have that power to order forfeiture of those monies in accounts that are seemingly unknown or anonymous.
It appears that the regulators are getting frustrated, so they probably want to stampede or railroad people into registration. That's why they are trying to come up with this policy. If that happens, for sure, there will be litigations because people will not just want to lose their money and all of that.
If you have a foreign account in Nigeria, you can pay money into it even if there's no BVN. But for that, you will know that you are in diaspora. But whenever you come, you cannot access the account when BVN is done to such account.
If the federal government succeeds in its quest to seek cash forfeiture of unregistered accounts in the country, account holders without BVNs will lose their bank cash deposits to the federal government. Igboji Warrior reporting.